Hey guys, it's me, Kay. I know you probably missed me and I missed you guys too, but I haven't forgotten about you, believe me. So I've been trying to research and look into some things, and I've been listening to what everybody's been saying, and everybody's kind of tired with eggs for breakfast. So in this video, I'm going to give you an alternative. I like these blueberry muffins, and I think you will too. It's fairly easy and it tastes really good. You can put butter on there, you can put some apple jelly on there, or any kind of low sugar jelly, or anything that you want to smear on there, but these babies are good. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I make a really good keto blueberry muffin. Thanks guys, see you later.